right, thank you. 10.
10, yeah.
All right. You 9? All right, cool. I'm right in front of you.
Yes, sir.
How's it going, man? My name's Adam.
Julius.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Adam Anthony Aragon.
Congratulations.
Appreciate you.
Congratulations. Stand here, you gotta have your picture taken.
I know, right?
Julius Stephen.
Congratulations. Thank you.
That's awesome. Good to see you. Appreciate you.
Awesome, right this way. Congratulations.
Appreciate you. Sorry.
Very proud of you.
What's up, bro?
Adam.
Congratulations, bro.
You too, man.